Today I want to show off my S30. It's a really small paintbrush from Klingon, perfect for crafts. And I have this 12-inch wood board that I painted black, 2 coats. When that dried, I took a 220 sandpaper and gave it a quick sanding just to smooth out the paint. And Jamie put together this stencil for me. It says hello. And if anybody's interested, she made quite a few of them, so I threw together a kit to make what we're making right here. Now I took a dabber and some Wise Owl Snow Owl and dabbed it all over my stencil. Now all paint products and brushes can be found at chalkitupfancy.com. If you're interested in the kit, it's going to be chalkitupfancy.com. And we only have a limited amount, so just letting you know. I thought the white and the black looked really great together. And then I took an art brush and filled in all the spaces. She made this stencil with the Cricut, and it did need to have the spaces filled in, just so you know. Once I filled in the spaces, I did have to go over that a couple times to make it all blend in. But it was quite easy. And the brush that I chose was a little bit more of a rounded point. Sometimes you can find brushes at Dollar General. At this point, I added some Wise Owl varnish. You can add any covering that you want. I did it right away just so that the black would stay really black. You just need a sealer of some sort. So I had these 2 sticks of Forsythia, and I'm going to go with some striped ribbon and some burlap. And I just layered the different types of ribbon that I chose and glued them together. Just for security. It's not necessary, but I just find that they just hold together better, especially when I'm doing a wreath that's going to be moved around a little bit. Then I took this thinner ribbon and tied it all together. Just with a knot tie. Then I took the 2 strips of the Forsythias that I had, and then I wired them together, going in the same direction. Then I added the bow at the end with the 2 Forsythia branches still going in the same direction with wire. And then, you didn't see me do it, but I took one of the Forsythias and bent it over to the other side, because these Forsythias have a wire inside them. And then at that point, I added another ribbon a little fatter and made a tie. The Forsythia having a thicker stick was tricky, so I just wanted to make sure everything was really secure. so you will need some clippers of some sort for the Forsythia branches. Make sure you look closely at the kit so you can see what is coming with it, because there are going to be some things that you're going to need. So make sure you have them. I'm going to take some E6000 and I glued it to the back of my ribbon along with a few dabs of glue. I'm sorry, my hand is out of the camera. And then I placed it down on my board. The E6000 is going to take 24 hours to dry, and the hot glue just helped keep everything in place while I was waiting for it to dry. And that was it. I thought this came out really cute, super farmhouse modern. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go check us out on YouTube, chalkitupfancy.com for kit, paint, paintbrushes, and transfers. Thanks so much.